Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be showing you how I created these simple sponge animal stamps. They are not hard at all, they are super easy, so here we go. Okay, so for this project you're just going to need a couple simple things, a hot glue gun or any sort of glue to glue your sponge animal, and then you're going to need some sponge animals, and you're going to need some sort of base that you can glue your sponge animal to help make it a stamp. So this is a really simple project. You're just gonna pick a sponge animal. I'm going to pick this yellow fishy. And then it's going to be super simple. I'm just going to wait for my hot glue gun to warm up. Alrighty, and then since my hot glue gun is warmed up, I'm just going to dab a little bit of hot glue into the middle, and I'm just going to stick down the sponge. And there you go. You now have a simple sponge animal stamp, and then all you would do is just take a little bit of paint, just dip it into the paint, and then you'd have a stamp. Now, you can use anything as the base. This is just what I was able to find and recycle into a little stamp holder. Oh dear, I just dropped it. So I guess that's the end of this. So that is how I created the little sponge animal stamps. Again, they are super simple and you can make as many as you want. I just showed you how to simply make one, but that applies to any kind and any amount of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!